hi. Well, today we are going to be opening up Funko Pops.
So we're going to start from the very top. We're going to take Snuzzle.
I'm short.
We're going to take Snuzzle.
Also, I'm wearing glasses right now. I look better without them.
Let's start opening.
Oh, yeah, they come like that sometimes. That's
What do you
new.
What do you mean?
They come like that sometimes. Some of them.
Oh, they have hearts on her.
Oh, wait, no.
You can't color
I
him.
can't paint it. Oh. Wait, is it heavy? Or how is that possible? How is that possible? It should be made out of stone instead of plastic. This is made out of stone, I think. Like rocks.
Guys,
plastic.
this is heavy.
Because Funko Pops are supposed to be plastic.
Oh, and guys. Guys, this is lighter than air.
And also, it's Madeline's birthday.
No, it's not. Air already passed.
Oh. Well, late birthday then. Or
Happy
actually,
belated.
Happy belated. Anyways, can we open this?
No, it's for tomorrow.
What?
I'm hanging out with my friend Chevy, and we didn't have anything to do, so I brought some things for Michael's to play with yesterday. What's she playing with?
They can hear you.
What?
I'll cut out the part.
What is she playing with?
Pick up that slide. She found that.
Oh my! She cannot play with this. This has to be activated.
Why did you even let her play with it?
I didn't see her with it until just now.
Mommy, I'm going to wash your hands.
Yeah,
go wash your hands.
We're gonna come. I'm coming. I gotta wash my hands.
You too, Madeline. Do you?
No.
Oh, I thought you got some on you.
No.
Yeah, that slime is the worst. It's okay. That slime is the worst.
Guys, this is lighter than air. Feel it. So light.
Yeah.
But there's slime in there. But this is for tomorrow.
How you dropped it? Oh yeah, the Funko Pops are on mine.
No, they're not.
I thought the whole thing was gonna fall.
Okay.
Collapse.
There's a lot.
I know.
Took a leg. You could have gotten cotton candy.
Yeah, but they didn't have it. They only had the white one.
They only had Snuzzle.
Yeah, that's the
Not
weirdest name ever.
Not Buttersnatch or Blossom
No.
or Minty or Cotton Candy.
Yeah, white is the boringest one ever. So they
And
didn't.
the weirdest name.
I know. The weirdest name. Okay, let's do it. Opening up
With
this.
Sandy.
My Funko Pops are sick.
Hi, Daddy.
I'm opening this one. We're taking turns opening it. This one's you're gonna open.
And then you're going to open the snot one.
You don't want to open that? I wish it was right there. I wish you could switch.
But you can't. Sorry.
Ow! Ow!
How
Ow!
do you feel?
It feels weird.
No, it doesn't.
I mean, it feels good. Also, people never notice this. You can twist their heads.
I wonder if they were bobbleheads.
It looks like it should be a stand. It should have a stand, but it doesn't.
Is this Sandy?
Okay.
At least I made a basket. But it has,
You scored it.
you didn't squirt it. Okay, let's
I made it.
go go to the next one. Don't do that. No, don't do that because we're not gonna throw these out. I'm gonna put them on the shelf.
Of course you're not. Okay, I'm gonna throw it out.
No.
I catched it. I was like,
I'm opening Luca.
how about we just open up in the same time?
That's so heavy.
I know. No. We got 3 Funko Pops to open. 3 more Funko Pops to open.
Hey, we got Luca and you got Luca.
No, wait, no, I don't got Luca. You got Luca.
No. You got a Luca character.
Oh, that's Julia. Or Spulia.
I don't know. Okay, I'm going first. And I'm opening.
We're opening up at the same
And
time.
I'm opening Luca.
Oh, wait. We should switch. I got all the girls and you got all the boys. That's funny.
Hey,
We
hey!
gotta switch.
It's Luca without his clothes. How about I just keep this Luca and then you keep this one and then you keep this one and then you give me this one
Why do you want that one?
and this one.
Okay. So, do you want this? Because we gotta switch with that. No? Yeah.
You got all the boys.
Yeah.
So I want to at least have
We
one.
just... That was so funny. Wait, you're not even in the video.
Oh, hi. I think they got on left.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna open Luca.
And I'm gonna open up Spulia.
Okay, let's open it.
Her name is actually Julia.
Oh, it came like this again.
Yeah, I know. When I opened it before. I just wanted to touch it. And when I opened
It has to stand.
yeah, because it flies. Also, what I don't like about this character is that the cat is attached to it. It's so bad. Oh, we forgot to show the character to them. So this is Sandy.
From Donatella.
Yeah.
As you saw that
It's not actually called Donatella. It's just called Tokido. It's the worst.
It's Tokidoki.
Tokidoki, right? Well, it's the worst show ever.
Remember we looked it up?
Yeah, it was the worst show ever.
And I'm like, let's switch to another show.
It was like the worst show ever. Okay, here's Luca.
Luca? Now
Samuka.
I'm gonna open.
And here's Julia.
And I'm gonna open.
I don't like how the cat is attached.
I'm gonna open Super Saya Kefla.
Super Saya Kefla. Oh. Well, and also it comes with a stand, but it can stand perfectly. So we don't need a stand. And I'm gonna open up.
Yes, this one.
Luca.
This one didn't come with another one.
Yeah.
Of these.
It comes with a giant stand though. It can't stand up.
Yes, I can.
Oh, how is that possible? What about Luca? Can he stand or not?
Probably.
There's Luca.
Hey.
I knocked it down with my finger. That's a giant stand. Luca has a little stand. What? Let me try. Stop. Oh my.
I got a mosquito bite.
Ew.
I hate them. Bug spray, but they're not working.
Yeah, this is very hard to put on.
Okay, let's just put it out with this.
Yeah, we can just throw this out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want to.
You can keep it for your other one.
Yeah, but none. Yeah, but you need a giant. Yeah, but I'm not sure if they can fit. Yeah.
Yeah, for a giant.
Cause it's small.
Yeah, for a giant one.
Anyways,
I got
you got one last one to open.
this one. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Show yours.
And we got...
Show yours.
Oh, I did. Luca, where's Luca? Where's Luca?
Under your pants.
Well, he's by my pants. Well, here's Luca, human version.
And now I'm gonna open Leaky Lindsay.
Lindsay, I think. Not Lindsay. We got 2 gross ones and 2 weird ones. Look at mine's. And this one's heavy. This one's blood work.
This one is Leaky Lunday.
He's from the Flash movie. And also, this is just like...
This one is from the, I don't know.
Garbage Pail Kids.
Garbage.
I watched that show.
It doesn't have a stand. So.
And I know. I forgot what it means, and now I just remembered. I looked up GPK and it's Funko Pops, and it said Garbage Pail Kids.
Ew, boogers.
Let me feel. Here. He's so giant. So buff.
If he was like this, and I was like this wee little, I would be like, ew.
They should make an enormous Funko Pop of him.
They do.
No, I know they do make enormous Funko Pops, but they should make enormous Funko Pop of him because he's supposed to be giant, I think. Yeah, but they cost so much. Look at mine.
Yeah, they have a Pokemon.
I know. They got a one. Oh, it's Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Pikachu is the one that's the giantest.
Actually, TGC has it.
Okay, here's Madeline's Funko Pop, which is actually mine. And here's mine.
I only got 2 for mine.
Hey, you want to know the creepiest thing about it?
What?
His skin whips up. And now, he took off the muscle from his face. And now, he's like this. He took off all of his skin.
Okay, let's get.
Yeah, I don't know how he got this.
Okay, let's get to the.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's put this to the side.
We'll tell you what she said in my ear. It's not like a secret. Okay, time to move. Close your eyes.
Wait, I want to do it at the very end. Don't show it yet.
Okay. Hello.
Okay, we're back. So we got the thing.
Yeah, this is...
Okay, we got the thing.
And this better not fall in the garbage can.
So let's put that out of the way. So,
wait, actually we need this because we can just put that in there.
Yeah, you're right. Let's put this to the side, actually. So if you see it fall, just quickly put your hands right here, and then we'll fall on your hands.
What?
Oh my god. I'll tell you later.
Okay, so
for my birthday.
wait, hold on.
So for my birthday.
Okay,
So
just
so,
show it.
So for my birthday, they didn't forget about my birthday, so they got me presents. And they got me a barbecue. And you know why they didn't put a and you know why they didn't include a bar?
And also, boys, if you're watching this, you can just leave because I know boys don't like Barbies.
Yes.
You can just
But
leave.
there is a barbecue, so
Or
boys like barbecues, but
if girls are watching this,
you can stay.
yeah.
Because this is Barbie's at least. But you know why they didn't? You know why they didn't include Barbies? To spend more money. Anyways, let's open this.
Hey, do you know that there's a doll who's haunted?
No.
So do not buy this. There's like an Elsa doll who sings a song, and we had one of those, but I think it's a myth. It just sings in different languages, and it just shows up in random places. And they just throw it in the garbage, but it was at the house again. It's haunted. They got an abandoned one too. They got an abandoned app, the Angela app. Don't download that abandoned app. You need help?
No.
Can I pull it?
No. Look at my toys.
I'm taking out the glasses.
You can see without them?
A little bit blurry. A little bit blurry, but it's a little bit good. And I look better. Ah! What was that? Okay, I'm serious. I can see.
You sure?
Yeah. A little bit, though. I know what this is.
What?
A stand.
Okay, good.
I know what this is because I feel it.
Okay, guys, so for my birthday, I got a barbecue, so we're going to open that today. So we're going to open my presents today. But I feel like I want to save my presents.
Ow, my brain hurts.
I feel like I want to save my presents. But I don't know.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I want to save my presents, but too late because I already opened it.
Well,
So here's a barbecue. I'll open the hot dog first because it was already
popped out.
Yeah. I guess I'll open this. So I don't know what this is, but it might be mustard. It might be mustard because it's yellow.
Yeah, it is mustard.
Okay. It's
Yeah,
mustard.
but why doesn't it come with a sticker?
Duh.
And why is it all? Oh wait, no, mustard is supposed to be all yellow.
Alright. Okay, so we have this real looking hot dog. So real.
Can I see?
Sure.
Oh.
And then we have these fish. And then go get it. And then we have these.
What is that right there?
What? And then we have these shish kebabs.
Shish kebabs. That's what they're called.
Shish kebabs.
Shish kebabs.
Like shish.
No, you shish kebabs.
No, you shish kebabs.
Yeah, I never noticed that they were called like that.
Okay. Now, and they're also called fish kebabs too, if you make it out of fish. And then we have this little doggy.
I'll eat him.
And then we have these tongs.
Tongues? You, tongues. You mean my tongue?
No. And then we have a mitten or something.
Oh, just like how my dad calls somebody at the shop whose name whose name is Squeaks, but he likes to call him Mittens because it's a better name.
So we have this one.
The tongue, I use it to cook breakfast. I know how to cook breakfast.
And now we have. Don't tell them. We have a water.
Love water.
It's super delicious.
What?
And then we have the spice or something.
Let me see.
And then we
Yeah, I don't know.
And then we have these cooler.
Yeah, this probably goes in here. It's not spice, I think, but whatever.
Let's put the stuff in here so Asha doesn't like get it and just use it.
Oh, that I never noticed this was rubber.
Hi. So we're back. We went to go get
Dinner.
dinner.
And I'm wearing my glasses. I'm taking them off right
So
now.
we have this cap for something. For the barbecue. And then we have this little thing that we flip. And then it goes to cook food to raw
And
food.
shoot them. I love it. Ew.
And I don't, guys, I'm talking to my face. Guys, I don't think we showed you this, but we put all the ingredients in here. So Asha, if she takes like the
My
stuff,
sister,
Yeah.
they know Asha, I think. Well, I'm getting new subscribers, so some of them don't know Asha. Who Asha is.
Wait, you get new subscribers every day?
No.
Only some days?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got this cooler, and then we got the barbecue, and then we got the barbecue. And stop playing with us. Fine. Okay, now I'll bring the big thing in.
Let's bring the big guns.
Close your eyes.
Bye.
I'll get the big thing. I'll get the big thing.
Do you even carry it?
Yes.
Wait. Wait, it comes with batteries? Oh, I thought it was.
I don't think it does. I can hold it all the way.
Okay. Hold it on your head. Okay, come on. Don't say the word, because they're going to know.
Yeah. Let's go. I got it. I got it.
Yeah, but can you go over that?
Hmm?
Can you go over that?
Yes. Sit down.
Okay. I was like, why do you want? What do you want? Yeah, that's why I should hold it.
Wait, don't cover their eyes.
Okay.
And open their eyes. Open your eyes.
Ah, there's nothing. There's nothing.
Okay, we're back.
Hold on, let me fix it.
Okay.
They're like, no, I want to close my eyes.
Okay, we're back, and I just wanted to show. This is my other present that they got me.
We forgot to throw this in the garbage.
That's okay. We'll throw it out anyway. We gotta put these to the side because that's very big.
And also we need something. Where is it?
I'm not gonna show it yet.
We need to find something.
What? Oh, scissors.
Yeah, but
They're right here.
no. I don't even know this.
Okay, we got scissors for something. We got a space station
Yeah, which boys want to like?
because it has a girl. But we're gonna open it anyway, so good luck to you boys.
Well, I'm a boy, so I'm joking. Well, I'm not. Of course, I'm not leaving this. This is my channel. So I'm staying right here. Actually, no, let's do that. So my sister just paused it.
Yeah.
My mistake.
Yeah, because she came over here and she wanted to have some fun too. But let's open this bad baby up. Hello, you want to open this bad boy up? Yeah. Okay. Oh. What is this? Do we have to build this?
We'll have to pause this.
Okay, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna build this. Okay, so we're back out and we build it by ourselves. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Sorry guys, he knocked it over with his glasses.
Yeah, my glasses can attack people.
And we build this all by ourselves. Woo! So we're gonna open this stuff, but these stuff fell out when we were trying to open it. So I'll just show you it right now. So we got this. We got a bowl with a pup,
Blah.
and then we got
Blah. Hey, what about me? I'm so tiny. I'm bigger.
Ash, I need scissors.
Huh?
I need scissors.
Here, they're right here. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? I'm coming back.
What are you trying to do? Why are you turning the light on?
I'm the only one who can reach the lights. I mean, some people. It's adults here. I'm not like they're telling you that they're here. It's just after downstairs. I can't wait to eat this. I'm eating pet food.
There's nothing in there.
So I can just eat the bowl. Because I finished all the food. That's why there's nothing in there.
No, when I gave it to you, there was her hair.
So we're
gonna
gonna cut this baby doll's hair.
Just a tiny bit. We're just gonna cut this.
Meow.
We're just gonna cut this.
Meow.
I cut it. Wait, let me.
Oh, I thought I had it.
Like there. Cut it. Stop. You don't have it.
I know.
Should I blow it away?
Yeah. I didn't know where it went.
Well, we actually cut the Barbie's hair, so. Ew! Why is your hair so knotty? It feels so hard. Feel it. Ew, right?
Ew.
Because of the plastic.
Oh, this is gross.
It made it hard.
Why did I do that?
I can touch my butt.
I can move my legs and do this.
I'm gonna kick your foot. Bah.
Kicking somebody else's foot and you're kicking a giant.
I cut your pants.
Wait, you did?
Yes.
Oh, no, don't go on it.
Did you actually make a
There's
hole?
a little tiny hole.
What? Where?
Right over here.
Where? Where?
I don't want to tell you. No. No.
Bum.
We're doing surgery here.
This, you don't want to
We're
see
doing
it.
hair surgery.
You don't want to see, so I'll just throw you inside the trash can. Oh my gosh. The trash went everywhere. How dare you, YouTube? Because I went to throw you in the trash. Now I'm serious. Goodbye, YouTube. She's laying on the bed.
Stop screaming.
I want to put on. Why would you knock down the trash can? Fix it. Oh, Asha has your makeup.
So we just finished the hair surgery, and it looks beautiful. And I met some make her bald. Just saying. Just kidding. JK, I would never. So I'm gonna set you up right in here.